Drywall surface staining from adhesive residue can totally wreck the look of your walls, but you can fix it without calling in the pros. So, first off, you gotta identify what kind of adhesive caused the stain because different glues react differently to cleaning. Try using a mild solvent like rubbing alcohol or a mixture of warm water and dish soap to gently scrub the area with a soft cloth. If that does not work, a little bit of vinegar diluted with water might help break down the sticky residue. Always test your cleaning solution on a small, hidden spot to make sure it does not mess up the paint. Avoid harsh chemicals that could eat through your drywall surface or leave more stains. When scrubbing, go easy and use circular motions to lift the adhesive without damaging the wall. If the adhesive is super stubborn, you might need to use a commercial adhesive remover made for drywall, but follow the instructions carefully. Once you get rid of the residue, wipe the area clean and let it dry completely before thinking about repainting or patching. One of the biggest mistakes when dealing with drywall surface staining from adhesive residue is using strong chemicals like acetone or bleach, which can ruin your wall's finish. Stick with milder options instead. Another common issue is scrubbing too hard, which causes scratches or removes paint. Be gentle and patient during cleaning. Lastly, not testing the cleaning solution in an inconspicuous spot can lead to unexpected damage or discoloration, so always do a quick test first to avoid headaches. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners by connecting them with trusted local contractors who know exactly how to handle drywall repairs and cleaning without messing up your walls. It also gives contractors a chance to find new work easily so they can keep doing what they do best, making homes look awesome again.